I am Dan Gowde, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss the series of a group from the group theory and series of groups we study subnormal series, Sitter's theorem, Jordan-Holder theorem, normal series, ascending central series, and nilpotent groups. First come towards the subnormal series. Subnormal series definitions. Let G be a group. A subnormal series of a group G is a finite sequence H naught H1 dot Hn of a subgroup of G such that Hi is normal in Hi plus 1 for each I 0 less equal I less than n with H naught is equal to singleton E and Hn is equal to group G. Every group G has a subnormal series with H naught is equal to singleton E and H1 is equal to G. The groups Hi plus 1 divided by Hi are called factors groups of the series 0 less equal I less than n minus 1. In a group Z plus singleton 0 less than 8z less than the 4z less than z is a subnormal series where 8z is equal to 0 plus minus 8 plus minus 16 plus minus 24 dash dash 4z 0 plus minus 4 plus minus 8 plus minus 16 plus minus 24. Singleton 0 is normal in 8z, 8z is normal in z, 4z and 4z is normal in z. Hence the finite sequence singleton in 8z, 4z, z is of a subgroup of z form a subnormal series. Let G is equal to generator of A where A raised to 6 is equal to E. Then G is equal to A1, A2, A square, A cube, A raised to 4, A raised to 5, A raised to 6 with A raised to 6 is equal to E. Define H is equal to E A cube. Then singleton E H G will form a subnormal series in G. In S3 singleton 1 A3 S3 will form a subnormal series in S3. Let G is equal to generator of A where A raised to 12 is equal to E. Then S1 is equal to singleton E generator of A raised to 4 generator of A square G and S2 is equal to generator singleton E generator of A raised to 6 generator of A raised to 3 G will be two subnormal series in G. Next definition: a subnormal series Kj is a refinement of a subnormal series Hi if Hi is subset of Kj, that is each Hi is equal to Kj for some j. Example now given. The series in Z given by singleton Z is normal, 72Z is normal, 24Z is normal, 8Z is normal, 4Z is normal. is a repairment of the series. Singleton 0 is normal, 42 72Z is normal, LZ is normal, Z. Let G is equal to generator of A, where A raised to 12 is equal to E. The subnormal series Singleton E, generator of A raised to 4, generator of A square G is not a repairment of the series. Singleton is generator of A raised to 6, generator of A cube G in G. Definition: two subnormal series Hi and Kj of the same group G are isomorphic if there is a 1-1 correspondence between the collection of factors groups Hi plus 1 divided by Hi and Kj plus 1 divided by Kj, so that the corresponding factor groups are isomorphic. The two isomorphic normal series must contain the same number of subgroups. Right, Z is equal to G is equal to Z15. Z15 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot 15 addition modulo 15. Generator of phi is a subgroup of subgroups generated by phi in Z15, 0, phi 10. Generator of 3, the subgroup generated by 3 in Z15, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Consider the two subnormal series in Z15 given by S1 is equal to Singleton 0, generator of 5 Z15, S2 is equal to Singleton 0, generator of 3 Z15. The set of factor groups for S1 is T1 is equal to Z15 divided by generator of 5, generator of 5 divided by Singleton 0. The set of factor groups for S2 is T1 is equal to Z15 divided by generator of 3, generator of 3 divided by Singleton 0. Now Z15 divided by generator of 5 is isomorphic to Z15 and J single generator of 3 divided by Singleton 0 is isomorphic to Z3. Z15 divided by generator of 3 is isomorphic to Z3 and generator of 5 divided by Singleton 0 is isomorphic to Z3, which establish 1-1 on 2 correspondence between T1 and T2 as Z15 divided by Singleton generator of 5 to generator of 3 divided by Singleton 0 and generator of 5 divided by Singleton 0 to Z15 divided by Singleton on the generator of 3. Then the corresponding factors groups being isomorphic, we get the two subnormal two series S1 and S2 of Z15 are isomorphic. काय झालं ग?